video, I'm going to go over this charging dock for the Meta Quest. You guys see how much assembly is done to this thing. They do give you instructions on how to snap it all together. There's some blocks and stuff in here. Let me show you all this right here. So let's go ahead, let's snap all this together, then we'll come back and I'll show you this thing in action. Okay, there it is. It's fully assembled. I've got it all ready to go. You run the wire down through this tube right here, lock the tube in place, make sure you get that little holder right there and get all that set down in there, and then this top piece just pops on. This is where the actual unit goes. Now these right here, they give you a set of batteries that uses their proprietary setup. You just run it like that and then pop that in. Now this actually charges these. I used to use just AA batteries, but I'd run them down all the time. Now I have rechargeable hand grips. How do I know they recharge? So once you got it set up, you put it in there. As soon as you put it in there, you guys see there's a light up right there and a light up right there. So here's the headset itself. I'm going to show you. This is the AMVR headset. This is a very nice headset. Now you get this little kind of magnetic piece. This is awesome. Watch this. You just run it down. Is that not crazy? I dropped it on there and it's charging. You heard that right there? Watch this. And then when I want to pick it up, I can just pick it up like that. That works extremely, way better than I thought it would. I was like, there's no way that's going to hit that every time. And I can change the colors of the lights, different LED lights right there. That's very awesome that I could do that. But that's what I like. I can tell what charging status everything is in, just like that. And I don't have to unplug it because I'm set up. I grab the headset. Let's try that again. Once it goes, I am shocked at how well they thought that system out. And it's a solid magnet. And on the bottom, actually you get another port. Let me take this off right here. Looking over it, you get an out right here. So if you need to charge an extra battery, so if you want to charge your little battery or something, you'll run a wire out right here and run it down through the side. And then you've got an extra charging for the back right there. It just seems to do everything perfectly. So it's charging my hand grips right here, and it's also charging the headset all in one. And it's super simple just to throw it on. It's a throw and go. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the AMVR docking station, Meta Quest docking station. See y'all in the next video.